Static on the wire, whispers in the rain. Don't you sell me comfort, don't you numb the pain. A pat on the back is a shove to the ground. When the wolves are circling, listen to the sound. You want a soft word, a shelter from the storm, but the walls you're building won't ever keep you warm. I see the fire flicker, dying in your eyes, swallowed by the poison of 1,000 easy lies. Brotherhood isn't nice, 'cause life isn't nice. We're the hammer and the anvil, the fire and the steel. I won't let you settle, I won't let you kneel to the ghost in the mirror you're hiding me behind. Brotherhood is honest, 'cause life is unkind. I'll drag you through the mud just to help you to stand. This is the only promise, the only helping hand. Remember climbing fences under angry summer skies. We wore our scrapes like medals, never compromised. Now you trade your courage for a quiet, faded room, watering down your spirit, embracing the gloom. I could say it's okay, I could tell you